If you own a restaurant in your city and you want to take your business online, then this is the perfect video for you guys. Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your own restaurant food ordering website for free. If you're wondering what kind of website is this, well, in this website your customer or your client can place an online order for food from your restaurant. Okay, so enough talking, let's jump straight into the video and I'll be showing you how you can make your own food ordering website for free. So let's get started. So before we move in, why don't you look at what we're going to create in this video. Now click on see menu and order. So now you can see that we have this window. Now we added just one dish over here. If someone want to buy chicken cocktail kebab, they can click over here and they can select full or half. They can select full size. I'm gonna select the spice level hot. I like to go with the one quantity and I'm gonna click on add to cart. Let's go to your cart and type your contact detail, and here your customer has to type their number, save, ordering method, delivery, and here your customer has to type their delivery address, town or city area, postal code, continue, and then click on save. Alright, if you remember, recently we set minimum order amount 500. We cannot place an order less than a 500, so I have to increase the order amount in order to place an order successfully on this website. So let me increase the order quantity in order to place an order successfully, and I'm going to place an order. So inside my application I just receive a order. I have to select it. Now here I can accept or reject it. I'm gonna click on accept. I'm going to give a delivery time 30 minutes. Accept. So now you can copy and print. I recommend you to use wireless printer and connect your phone with your printer and send the print copy to your kitchen, and your cook or your chef start cooking it. Alright guys, now let's get started, and now let me show you guys how you can make restaurant food ordering website for free. In order to create a free restaurant food ordering website, we need a free hosting and free domain. First of all, perform a Google search for Infinity Free and open up this website in a new tab, infinityfree.net, and perform another Google search for Freenom and open up this website in the same tab. So guys, from freenom.com we will get a free domain name. Domain name is your website name, and from infinityfree.net we will get a free hosting. So let's get a free domain first. If you don't have account on Freenom, you can click over here, sign in, and you can create account by using the social icon right here. Since I already have account on this website, so I'm gonna log in via my email and password. So as you can see, I've successfully logged in. Now click this drop down menu alongside services and then click on register a new domain and search your domain, and then click on check availability. So guys, you can see that these are the free domain and these are the paid one. If you want to buy top level domain, you can buy them as well, but in this video we are going to use a free domain. So I'm gonna click on get it now and then click on checkout, and now click on use DNS and then click on use your own DNS and change this time period to 12-month free and leave this page as it is. We will come back and we have to type the name server of Infinity Free. So now let's go to infinityfree.net. So guys, on this website, if you don't have account, you can create account by clicking on sign up now button. Since I already have account on this website, I'm gonna click on client area. When you register yourself on infinityfree.net, they send you a verification email at your email address to activate your account. Sometime what happen is that email takes some time to get inside your inbox. I recommend you to refresh your email account after 5 to 10 minutes. Under 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you will get your verification email, and then you can activate your account on Infinity Free. Once you activate your account, you can log in. So I'm gonna click on sign in now, as you can see. So as you can see that I've successfully logged in on this website. So inside the account tab, I haven't created any account yet, but I can create 3 accounts. Let's create an account. Let's click on create an account, and I'm gonna use custom domain. Let's copy our domain and paste your domain over here, and then click on search domain and create your password. I'm not robot. Click create account. It will give you an error. Now copy the name server and go back to Freenom and paste your name server over here, and one more time. Just delete this one and type 2 and click on continue, and check this box and click on complete order and click here to go to your client area, and you're done here. Now let's go back to Infinity Free and now create your password once again and click on create account. Let's try one more time, create account. So as you can see that after 2 attempts I've successfully created an account. Now you can click on open control panel, click on I approve. So guys, now you can see that we are inside the Vista panel. Now scroll down and find Softa Classes apps installer and click on that. Now you have to install a WordPress, click on install, and now here scroll down and change your site name and change your site description. Scroll down, change your admin username and type your admin password, and scroll down and you can type your admin email over here. I'm gonna leave it as it is, and finally I'm gonna click on install. Now you can see that we have successfully installed a WordPress. Now you can access your WordPress website by going to this link. So now you can see that we have successfully installed a WordPress. Now we can close all of these tabs. Now you can visit your site by hovering your mouse over here and you can click on visit site. And this is your WordPress website looks like by default. And now let's start building our website further. First of all, let's install a theme and give our website a better look. So first of all, hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes and then click on add new, search for Astra and install this theme. Click on install and then click on activate. Once you activate your theme, now install a plugin that comes with this theme. That plugin will add extra functionality to this theme. Let's hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new and come over here and search for Astra and install this plugin. Click on install now and then click on activate. Once you activate the plugin, then hover your mouse over appearance and then click on starter templates. Now select your favorite page builder. I like Elementor. I'm gonna click on Elementor. These are the theme design that you can choose from. Since we are going to create a restaurant food ordering website, we need a restaurant style theme design. So let's go to this drop down menu and then click on business, and once again choose a free because we are going to create a free theme. Now scroll down and find this theme. I like this one, Italian restaurant. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on import complete site. You can import one specific page if you want to, but for now I'm going to import the complete site. I'm gonna click on import complete site and now I'm gonna click on import. So this process may take some time. You can see that depending on the size of your site and depending on speed of your connection. So I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
So guys, now you can see that we have successfully imported our site. Now you can click on view site. Alright, now you can see we have a beautiful design. So guys, don't worry, we can edit every single element on this website. Okay, and I'll show you how you can do that. So I'm gonna close this tab. So before I close this tab, I want to let you know that if you're getting any error during the importing process, you can check out my this video. This will fix your problem if you're getting any error. Okay, I'm gonna close this one. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard. Alright guys, now it's time to turn our simple website into restaurant food ordering website. So how are we gonna do that? Well, let's open up a new tab and perform a Google search for Gloria Food and open up the first website. So here you can type your restaurant name. I'm gonna type Foodie King and then click on get access now. And now you have to type your email. I'm gonna type my email over here and your first name and your last name and your password and then click on continue. And I'm gonna select restaurant manager /owner. Restaurant name, and here you have to type your restaurant phone number. So I'm gonna give my number over here and select your country and your state. I'm from Punjab, and type your city and your zip code and your street name and number. And then click on next. Restaurant website. If you have website, then you can select yes, otherwise you can select no. So we have a website. I'm gonna click yes, and here we have to type our website URL. So this is our website URL. I'm gonna copy it. Let's go back here and paste URL over here and then click on next. Now here you have to select your food type. What type of food you're selling in your restaurant? Pizza, burger, salad, or you can click on show more. I go with Asia and Indian, and I'm gonna click on next. And here we have to verify our email. So I'm gonna open up my email address. As you can see that I've just got email from Gloria Food. Click on validate email address. Thank you, your email address has been validated. You can close this window now. I'm gonna close this tab, this one, and now let's click on next. Pickup option, yes, and click next. Delivery status, do you offer food delivery? Yes, next. So guys, here you have to create your delivery zone. Click on add another zone. Define your delivery zone by dragging the circle. Here I'm gonna select minimum amount of 500. Below that, our restaurant cannot deliver food at this region. Okay, delivery fees 0. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna add another zone. You can drag and drop zone. You can shrink it or you can expand it like that. Okay, I'm gonna add minimum amount 500 and I'm gonna click on save. And now I'm gonna create another zone. If I zoom out over here, and this time I'm gonna create a shape. I wanna insert this area as well. Okay, minimum amount 600 and delivery fees 10 rupees, and then I'm gonna click on save. Once you created your zone, and then you can click on next. Do you offer table reservation? Yes, we do. I'm gonna expand the settings. I allow client to make table reservation, but minimum person 2 and maximum person I allow 10. Table is kept for 15 minutes after reservation time. When person reserve a table, you can keep it for 30 minutes or you can leave it 15. The reservation placement has to be at least 15 in advance, or you can say 30 minutes. People has to reserve the table 30 minutes in advance, okay? And the reservation placement cannot come more than 8 days or 7 days. You can choose according to your requirement. Once you change your settings, then you can click on next. Do you offer order ahead? No. And then click on next. Opening hours. Let's add opening hours. Sunday is closed. You can change your opening hour. My restaurant open 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. or maybe 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Okay. Sunday is closed. Then click on save and click next. Allow client to request a specific fulfillment time. I say no. Click next. I'm gonna close this one. I already like the page. Taxation and currency. Sales tax. Apply tax on top of my menu prices, or menu prices already includes taxes. Yes, this one. Name of the tax. In India, we deal with GST. Tax rate for menu item 0. No. Okay. You can add tax rate on your menu item as well, but for now I'm gonna leave it as it is. There is a no tax on food menu item. Taxation for delivery fee 0. Currency Indian rupees, and then click on next. Payment method delivery pickup, which is free. So next we have a card and pickup counter and delivery person. So guys, if you have a POS machine or card swipe machine, then you can give your card machine to your delivery boy, or you can take your card machine at your pickup counter. Okay, and you can use that machine as well to receive a payment from your clients. Call back and take a card detail via phone. I don't like that, so I'm gonna leave it unchecked, and then I'm gonna click on next. This restaurant is registered as a company name. I'm gonna type Foodie King. Company registration address, city, zip code, country, state, and your phone number, and then click on next and click on next. So now we have app installation. Now you can install this application to receive an order from your customer. Okay, now I'm going to click on next. So here you have to select your device. If you have tablet, then you can select tablet. If you have smartphone, then you can select smartphone. So I'm go with smartphone and then click on next. So here I'm going to click on I want to use SMS instead. I'm going to type my phone number. I'm going to click on next. So inside the phone, as you can see that I just received a app link via SMS. So I'm going to open that message and I'm going to click on that link to install the application. Now I redirect to the App Store and I'm going to click on get and I'm going to install the application. And I'm going to click on open and I'm going to allow, and now click on login. New order rating and notification will appear here. I'm going to click next. Now we have to place an test order. I'm going to click on next. Now you can see that now we have a new test order appear on our screen. Let's open up this pending order and you can accept or reject this order. I'm gonna click on accept. Delivery time, it would be 20 minutes and accept. Now order is accepted. Now you can print this order. If you have a wireless printer and your printer inside the kitchen, and you can send a print. So when your chef or your cook receive an order via printer, they can start cooking. This is fastest and easiest way to receive an order and complete the order. So I'm going to click on next, 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 next. Show me how. I'm going to click on next. Alright guys, now you can see that there is a couple of default dishes added inside our dashboard. Okay, we can remove them by clicking on remove button, just like that. Drinks, remove them, or you can add more category. So I'm gonna give a category name. I'm gonna type over here chicken cocktail kebab, and I'm gonna type category description, and I'm gonna click on save. Here you can add a image to your dish. You can upload your own image by clicking on there, and you can drag and drop your image over here. So for now I'm gonna choose this image, even though this is not a chicken cocktail kebab. Anyways, so here I'm gonna type a name, chicken cocktail kebab, and the price 500, and I'm gonna add multiple sizes. Smallest size I'm gonna type half. Price for half chicken cocktail kebab would be 275. If you want to add another size, you can add that as well. You can type full would be 500, and I'm gonna click on save. If you want to add another item to the chicken cocktail kebab, you can do that as well. Okay, and of course you can drag and drop menu item just like that. Right side we have choices and add-on section. These are the basically groups. You can add more choices to any group that you want by simply clicking on add choice button. If I want to add more choices to the first section, which is choose the meat, I can simply click on this add choice button and I can add more multiple type of meat choices for my customer. Or you can select a spice level. You can add spice level inside your chicken, just like that. How spicy they want, not spicy, medium or hot. You can add a spice level. Okay, you can add additional topping like beans, sprout, carrot. If you want to add another group, you can create a new group, and this way you can give your customer to additional information about your recipe. Okay, so guys, now you have to keep adding your items inside your menu. Okay, once you finish adding your menu item, and then you can click on next. Menu upload option, here you can upload your menu over here. I'm gonna click on next. Now we have alert call. Here you can type your phone number. This is optional basically. Sometimes what happens is you're not able to hear order notification. If this happens to you, then by giving this number, you will receive a call and they will tell you you have a new order inside your application. Okay, so this is a useful. So I'm gonna type my phone number over here and I'm gonna click on next. Would you like to take order through Facebook? If yes, then you can choose yes if you have a Facebook page. So in this case, I'm gonna select no and I'm gonna click on next. This is a add-on. I'm gonna click no, click next. Publish website ordering. Would you like to take order and table reservation through existing website? Yes. Okay, these are the buttons over here that we can place on our website. Okay, and I'm gonna click on next. So at this page, I'm gonna click on I'll do it myself. Let's go back here and I'm gonna click on next. Would you also recommend a mobile app to your client? I'm gonna click on no, next, no, enable any payment method of your choice. If you click next, here you can select a PayPal, other we have a Stripe, and you can click on next. So guys, if you want to activate online payment method on your website, you have to subscribe. This will cost you $29 monthly. If you want to do that, you can go ahead subscribe. Otherwise you can go back and click no and then click next. Select default, next, 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 next. First buy promo. Would you like to offer a discount for your first online purchase? If yes, then you can select yes and then click next. how much discount you will give to your customer if they place an order first time on your website. I would go for 10% off. Here you can type your description and then click on next. You can type a minimum order value. If customer place an order minimum for 500 rupees, they will get 10% discount. Okay, click on next. Next, these are just add-ons that we don't want. No. Next, 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 no, next. So now we are done here. You can add your Google Map API. I recommend you to watch this video to add your Google Map API key over here in order to Google Map work on your website properly. So now we are done here. Let's go to your dashboard of your WordPress and now install a plugin. Hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new and search for Gloria Food and install this application and then click on activate. Once you activate this plugin, you can see this plugin over here. Now you can click on dashboard. So now click on I already have a restaurant account. So guys, here type your email address and type your password and then click on login. So on this page you can see that we have 3 steps to complete. First and second we have completed and now we have to go for third step. Now click on publish. So now you can see that we can add these 2 buttons on our website. But first let's click on customize. Let's change the size. Let's go for 16 by 16 pixel, 16 by 15 pixel. Okay, and you can change the color if you like. I'm gonna leave it as it is and I'm gonna click on save. And let's change the table reservation size as well. Let's change this to 16 by 15. Let's click on save. Once you do that, you can copy the shortcode. And now we have to just visit our site. So guys, here we can add these buttons over here. So how are we gonna do that? First of all, let's click on edit with Elementor because this page is built with Elementor. So guys, here I'm going to add a section just like that. So now we have the 2 sections over here. Now click over here and I'm going to select, drag and drop the text editor in the left side. Inside this text editor, I'm going to copy the menu shortcode and I'm gonna paste the shortcode by clicking on the text, and I'm gonna delete this text and I'm gonna paste the shortcode over here and I'm gonna click on update. And let's go to style and change the alignment to right and then click on update. And let's look at our button. Now you can see that we have the menu button available for us. Now let's add our table reservation button as well. Let's copy the table reservation button. Let's go back here and let's go to this section and drag and drop the text editor. Click on text, highlight the text and delete them and paste your shortcode and click on update. Now go to style and change the alignment to left and then click on update. And let's go back here and refresh the page. And now you can see that we have 2 buttons available for us, menu and table reservation. If you want to remove the menu from the top or reservation, what you can do is you can click on the customize, and here if you hover your mouse over here, you can see a edit element button over here. If you click on that, now you can disable the menu by checking this box, and here you can select none, and then you can click on publish. And more, if you want to change your website logo, you can hover your mouse over here and then you can click on this pencil icon and it will take you to this page, and here you can change your website logo. Once you change your logo, don't forget to click on publish, and I'm gonna close this one. And if you want to change anything from this section, you can click on edit with Elementor and you can edit every single thing on this page and scroll down and go to the bottom. And if you want to change this number, hover your mouse, edit with Elementor and then click on footer. So guys, here you can change your phone number, or you can change the text as well. You can change the logo, or you can change the copyright section over here. Once you make your changes, don't forget to click on update. Now click over here and click on exit to dashboard. Now click on visit site. Our website is now ready. Now let's see how it looks like. Now click on see menu and order. So now you can see that we have this window. Now we added just one dish over here. If someone want to buy chicken cocktail kebab, they can click over here and they can select full or half. They can select full size. I'm gonna select the spice level hot I like to go with the one quantity, and I'm gonna click on add to cart. Let's go to your cart and type your contact detail, and here your customer has to type their number, save, ordering method, delivery, and here your customer has to type their delivery address, town or city area, postal code, continue, and then click on save. Alright, if you remember, recently we set minimum order amount 500. We cannot place an order less than a 500, so I have to increase the order amount in order to place an order successfully on this website. So let me increase the order quantity in order to place an order successfully, and I'm going to place an order. So inside my application I just receive a order. I have to select it. Now here I can accept or reject it. I'm gonna click on accept. I'm going to give a delivery time 30 minutes, accept. So now you can copy and print. I recommend you to use wireless printer and connect your phone with your printer and send the print copy to your kitchen, and your cook or your chef start cooking it. Okay, now I'm gonna click on close. So this is how you can place an order on your website. If your customer want to reserve a table, they can click on table reservation button over here. Number of people, 4 person. They would go for today. Time, they can select a time. They can comment, this is optional, and then click on next. Contact information, order method, table size, choose a time, everything is fine over here. If not, they can edit it by clicking on this pencil icon. Finally click on place table reservation now. Inside your application you will receive a table reservation order. Click on that. You can accept or reject it. I'm gonna click on accept and confirm. That's pretty much it. Alright, this is how your customer can reserve a table on your website. Alright guys, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is how you can create your own restaurant food ordering website for free. If you need more information about this topic, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. If you want to edit your website further, you could watch my other video. You can find that video link in the description box as well. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more videos just like this one. So that being said, goodbye, and I'll catch you guys next time.